everybody, welcome back. Welcome to 2025. It's the first video of the new year and I'm super excited about it. Today we are making this little triptych behind me on the wall. It's a very simple just painting that I did. But I wanted to do it because, let me start over a little bit. My name is Gabriel. I own a small Barrettes hair accessories business outside of Houston where I make and sell handcrafted barrettes and accessories. And largely this channel is about the growing of that business. I've decided to make some changes over December. I took a little break and decided to integrate some more of the creative artistic side of myself into my channel. So it'll be partially about business, but also partially about the creative side. It'll be a mix of those two. So I'm about to say adieu to you, but you will see me making these paintings, and then I'm going to do a voiceover on top of the paintings talking about what I kind of learned through the fall and the Christmas and how I've decided to maybe like retool this channel a little bit. So you're welcome to mute me if none of that interests you, or just listen along. I'd love to know your thoughts about everything. I do also have a kind of a question about maybe adding some more to the paintings. I finished them, and then part of me wanted to keep going because I'm a little bit of a maximalist, and I thought maybe I needed some like glitter or sequins or beads or splatter paint or whatever. So, and then I decided to leave them plain. But I'm gonna put up a poll with this video. It says like, should I take them down and do more, and what should that more be? So I hope you will participate in that poll if you're watching this video. And anyways, I hope you had a great New Year's, and I will talk to you soon. All right, and on to the painting. I wanted to do this triptych for a couple of reasons. One of them is honestly, I just kind of wanted to put a pin in 2024. 2024 was a rough year for me. I grew a lot. I learned a lot. I had another year where I could figure out how much I could take and still continue moving forward. But that's not really the mind space I'm at now. At the end of like 2024, I was just ready to embrace 2025. I felt like we were on the up and up, mentally, physically, all of the above. And so I just really want to put a pin in 2024 and then like celebrate the love and the springtime of 2025. And we're doing that by making Valentine's pictures for our walls. I did not come up with this design. I saw it somewhere, but I don't remember where. And so someone else was smarter than me to come up with this. But I thought it was something that was like clean and clear, that would read well behind me on camera and then not take me, multiple days to make. So it did take me about a couple hours, but it was fun. I put on some Grey's Anatomy, which is a show I never watched in the past. But I've been kind of, I don't know. Y'all will have to tell me if you like Grey's Anatomy. I'm kind of on the fence about it. Um, uh, I am enjoying it, but it's just like it's so dramatic. And maybe it's because I've been watching them like back to back. I feel like some shows really do need the like 1 week space in between for you to like decompress and move forward. Off topic. So anyways, I watched some Grey's Anatomy and did these. I wanted the two heart sides to be identical. So I took one piece of wrapping paper, cut out the big heart, and then use them as kind of a stencil. But the problem was when I got to the pink heart, I didn't, this obviously the size was the right size, but I didn't line it up properly on the canvas. It was about an inch lower than the red heart, and I realized that too late. So I decided to enlarge it to make it like it was supposed to be purposefully bigger. I don't know if it carries off well though. I'm a little bit mixed about it. I also wish I had maybe done some on this like love on this love canvas, if I had added some pink to this side instead of just doing it all in red. I wish the O was pink, but once I had the like red blotch on there, I had to make the O red. I could have done the pink over it. The red would have shown through it. But I kind of wish there was some pink on that. So maybe if y'all vote, for me to like take them down and do some more to it, like maybe I could at least do some red where some pink should go and pink where some red should go. That way it looks a little bit more balanced. I don't know. We'll see. What I really wanted to talk about though was changes to my YouTube. If you're new here, I hand make barrettes and hair accessories out of my house, and I sell them on my website, Gabriel.com, and on Etsy, which is Ann Gabriel Shop. Um, and I've been moving to shift from like a side hustle to a full fledged business, and I've been recording um, for YouTube, kind of like the trials and tribulations of those decisions. My videos oftentimes though look like a vlog, or like have a cup of coffee and let's talk about trying to grow a business. And although I think those videos are uh engaging to a degree, I don't know if they're very useful. Meaning, like, one of my videos I talk about like finally getting my trademark. The My slogan is "Pull your hair back, there's work to do," and I trademarked it. So I mentioned trademarking it, but I don't go into any explanation about how I went about trademarking it. So I want this season, starting in 2025, to do these kind of deeper dives into singular topics every week. So, for instance, so I want to learn about international shipping. So now my website does not do international shipping. So I'm going to do a video on international shipping and how you go through customs. I want to do a video on whether or not it's worth it to go on Amazon. I want to do a video on Range Me, which is kind of an intermediary between small businesses and large distribution places like, or retailers like Walmart and um, CVS and Kroger's. And and whether or not, how you go about getting notices by big businesses, things like that. And then we're also going to do creative videos as well. So the next video I'm going to make is actually the creating of the Valentine's Barrettes, just to kind of like mirror this video. So I hope you will enjoy that. I hope you will enjoy this upcoming season with us. And if you have not subscribed or liked, I please invite you to do that. This is like such a small channel still, but like I think we're going to have a lot of fun and you will enjoy watching with us. All right. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Okay.